Hi guys. So guys, okay. So guys, right now it's night at 7:55 p.m. Okay, so the storm is happening right now. So if you don't live in America, the storm is happening right now. So there's a huge snowstorm, and it's happening right now, and the thing that I'm really sad about, guys, a tree fell down. It was my favorite tree. But the whole thing never fell down, guys. It was just half of it. But yeah, guys, I love that tree, but it fell down. That's all that I wanted to tell you the story. So guys, remember to hit that like button, hit the bell button, / the notification button. And I'm sorry that this is a short video. Remember to subscribe for more daily videos, live streams by me and us and them. Yeah, so our goal is just for 20 subscribers. So please remember to subscribe. And so guys, remember to be awesome. So goodbye.